Hello partner, Mink is back again with new topic, the sizing guide for women's wear. Let's understand sizing requirements for women apparel. Let's understand what are garment measurements. Across shoulder, bust, front length, waist and hip measurements. Now let's understand what are all body measurements, to fit bust, to fit waist and to fit hip measurements. Points to remember while filling sizing columns. As mentioned in all headers in sizing columns, all measurements should be in inches except for saris. Brand size will be the sizes as per the brand. There are no drop downs. And standard sizes will be as per Myntra requirements. It should be filled by using available drop downs. Both can be same or different as well. We need round bust to fit bust, waist to fit waist, hip and to fit hip measurements. We do not accept half measurements. Also, bust to fit bust, waist to fit waist, hip and to fit hip measurements will always be in ascending order. To fit bust, to fit waist, to fit hip are body measurements, which will be less than garment measurements if fabric is not stretchable. For stretchable fabrics, to fit measurements can be more than garment measurements. For stretchable fabric, we need relaxed measurements. To fit measurements are not mandatory to be provided for top wear apparels. For women apparel, chest measurements are not required. We need only bust measurements. Across shoulder measurements are mandatory for all top wear apparel, even if column is not highlighted in yellow in few article types. Do not delete any column or edit headers. Now let's see required measurements for western top wears: top, t-shirt, shirt, jacket, sweater and sweatshirt. We need across shoulder bust and front length measurements. Rest all are not mandatory. Standard size should be in S, M, L, etc. Now let's understand required measurements for ethnic top wears, kurta, kurti and tunic. We need across shoulder, bust, front length, waist and hip measurements. Rest all are not mandatory. Bust and hip measurements will always be more than waist. Standard size should be in S, M, L, etc. Following are required measurements for kurta set. We need across shoulder, bust, front, length, hip, inseam length and outseam length, pajama waist, to fit waist and waist measurements. Rest all are not mandatory. Standard size should be in S, M, L, etc. Please note, pajama waist and to fit waist, body waist should be filled as per bottom wear closure and waistband. If waistband is elasticated, pajama waist will be less than to fit waist. Whereas, if it is a drawstring closure, pajama waist will be more and to fit waist will be less. Waist is a kurta waist and hence it will be more than to fit waist. If bottom wear is skirt, in that case, we will need outseam length instead of inseam length. Here is the required measurements for clothing set. We need across shoulder, bust, front length, inseam length, outseam length, to fit waist measurements. Rest all are not mandatory. Standard size should be in S, M, L, etc. To fit waist, body waist should be filled as per bottom wear closure and waistband. If bottom wear is skirt, in that case we will need outseam length instead of inseam length. Let's go throughout required measurements for bottom wear. Jeans, trouser, palazzo, capris, shorts, skirts, leggings, salwar and churidar. We need garment waist. In few articles, this column is not there. Outseam or inseam length and to fit waist, body waist. If bottom wear is skirt, in that case, we will need outseam length instead of inseam length. Standard size should be waist size, that is 28, 32, 34, etc. For jeans, trouser, palazzo, capris, shorts, skirts. And for leggings, salwar, churidar, it will be S, M, L, etc. To fit waist, body waist should be filled as per bottom wear closure and waistband. For all articles where standard sizes are waist size, standard sizes should be equal to fit waist measurements. Now, let's understand required measurements for nightwear. Night suit, night dress, lounge pant, lounge shorts, lounge t-shirt, baby dolls, robe, sleep shirts and pajamas. Standard size will be in S, M, L, etc. for all these articles. For one size or free size product, we do not need any measurements. Across shoulder measurements are mandatory for all top wear apparel. Robe, sleeve shirts. We need across shoulder, bust, front length and waist measurements. Lounge pants, lounge shirts, pajamas. We need inseam length and to fit waist measurements. Baby dolls, night dresses. We need across shoulder, bust, waist and hip measurements. Lounge t-shirt. We need across shoulder, bust and front length. Night suits. We need across shoulder, bust, front length, inseam length and to fit waist measurements. Following are required measurements for innerwear, bra, briefs, shapewear, swimwear. Sports bra, bralette, shapewear and swimwear will have standard sizes in S, M, L, etc. And for the rest of the bras, it will be bust size 30, 32, 34, etc. Swimwear, we need to fit bust to fit waist. Shapewear brief, we need to fit waist in range. Bra, we need over bust in range and under bust in range. Required measurements for lehenga choli, stitched and non-stitched, dress material, saris, ready to wear in different sizes and one size, and sari blouse. Standard size for dress material will always be in one size. Lehenga choli, sari blouse can also be on one size, or they can have different sizes S, M, L, etc. if these are ready to wear made to measure. For unstitched or semi-stitched lehenga, we need measurements in size and fit description. Lehenga length, lehenga waist, lehenga flare, blouse, dupatta length, dupatta width. For ready to wear or made to measure lehenga choli, we need across shoulder, bust, choli length, lehenga length and to fit waist, body waist. For one size saris, we need measurements in size and fit description column. Sari length and width, blouse piece length and width. For ready to wear or made to measurement saris, we need bust, hip, outseam length to fit waist or body waist and waist. For one size sari blouse, we need measurements in size and fit description column in meter. Stretchable blouse that fits from X inches to XS inches at the bust. For blouse comes in different sizes, we need across shoulder, bust and front length. Hope you have understood the process. Stay tuned for next videos. Till then, bye-bye. See you in the next video.